If you eat chili for a weekly basis over an entire year, this means that you produce 394 kg of carbon emissions, which is the same as cutting down 40 trees or driving the whole way from LA to Chicago. Now there has to be something done. This is also why I decided to make a sustainable version of chili. So let's go! Now for this recipe we will use the 6 principles of sustainable cooking. I'll link the video here. So for this video we're gonna use any meat at all. Another principle is regionality. So make sure that any ingredient you use is from the regional area. Same as those beans, which were dried, so I let them soak overnight in cold water. Now start off by taking some garlic and just press it. So this way you make it easier to peel it out. Oh yeah. Then, as it is already crushed, just mince it. Okay, and this is all the work we have to do with our knife, so just put it away. Now we come to the cooking part, and as we want to use less energy, we start with a cold pot. So now put in some oil and the minced garlic. And now we're gonna turn on the heat. So put it on medium heat. It helps the oil to extract all the flavor from the garlic. So just let it come up to medium heat. When it starts to sizzle, just stir it every minute so it doesn't get burnt. So when you smell this nice garlicky flavor, it's time to add the tomato sauce. So you can substitute the sauce with diced tomatoes if you want, but I like it with tomato sauce, so why not? But after you added the tomato sauce, immediately add the beans, so that they can give the sauce their flavor. As chili has to be spicy, I will add some chili flakes to it. By the way, these chili flakes are homegrown, so they are absolutely regional. Then hit up things with some salt and give it some freshly grounded pepper. Now we will add the corn later due to the fact that the corn is already cooked and the beans are not. So just let it cook for about, let's say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then we're gonna add the pre-cooked corn. So give it a stir and cover it. Then after 20 minutes the beans should be ready. Oh yeah! Now this is exactly what we're looking for. So now it's time to add corn. By the way, when you buy food, always try to reduce your plastic consumption in buying glass or other stuff. Add the corn. Everything, because we don't want to waste food. And give it a last stir. Now give it a final taste test to see if it is salty enough. Oh yeah, this is definitely good. Now you can serve the chili with whatever you want. I personally like a portion of rice because it is healthy and it tastes really good. Now before we dig in, let's take a look at the comparison. So with this dish you produce a total of 76 kg of carbon emission. In comparison, it is a reduction of over 220 kg carbon emission annually per person. Now think about that, what one dish can do. But now, let's back to the tasting. Oh yeah guys, this is it. Wow! If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a person who should see this video. See you next week. Bye!